Hi guys, I'm going to work through the answers to that mutation practice questions that we worked on Monday and Tuesday. The first thing we had to do was transcribe the normal gene and also the sickle cell gene. So I did notice a couple people had trouble with this, and really it's just practice from last week, so I'm not sure what went wrong there. So we're going to do the normal one first. GGG would transcribe to CCC. CTT would be a G, and then remember T goes with A. We have a repeat of CTT, so that's going to be another GAA, and then TTT is going to be AAA. The next one is the sickle gene, so we start with GGG, so we have CCC again. Then we have CAT, so that's going to be GUA. So that's where our mutation takes place, right there. And then the rest of it is the same. GAA and AAA. Okay. Then we have to translate those. So CCC, when we come down to our chart, CCC is going to be proline. So that's going to be pro and pro. It's the same for both of them. For the normal gene, GAA, that's glutamic acid. I'm just going to write GLUT here, GLUT. Then you have another GAA, so that's going to be GLUT. And then we have AAA is lysine. So again, that's really just review of everything that we did last week. So let's see how this mutation here impacted the sickle cell gene. We still have CCC, which is pro, but now we have to do GUA. GUA is valine. So instead of putting down the glutamic acid, it puts down a valine. GAA is going to be GLUT, so that's still the same. And then AAA will still be lysine. So you can see that the protein sequences would be pretty much the same, except that where you have a glutamic acid here and you have valine here, that's what causes the mutation. So a single change in the DNA, which happened right here, a point mutation, substitution, where an A was substituted for a T, causes a change in the transcription, which is the mRNA, and then a change in the protein sequence. What type of mutation is this? It's a point mutation, specifically called a substitution. The question at the below, it said, look at the following sequence. The fat cat ate the rat. Delete the first H and regroup the letters in groups of 3. So if this were gone, you can see how that would shift everything, and it would be T, E, F, A, T, C, A, T, A, E, T, H, E, R, A, and then you have a T hanging out here. So that just messes everything up. That's a deletion, which is a point mutation. And it's going to cause a missense because that doesn't even make any sort of sense, missense or nonsense. Okay, I hope that video helped, and I'll also send a picture of the answers as well. And remember, you can email me if you have any questions or problems.